Hello, good morning. Newland District GB Associations kanba Nagaland Police laga recruitment process palbra conduct kora garne kushi bala kopro janeshe kimanda candidate kan medical physical declare gurule parishe takhan ge pathai dia laga kopro janeshe aro remaining stage laga recruitment debi palba dibule laga best wishes to dishe Nagaland Police Department kanbra professional fair aro transparent manner bra recruitment conduct kura garne association bra kushi ba laga janeshe associations kanbra concerned authorities kange aro janai dise ke district wise laga hisab te kinaga post toile phak kurina ase idu laga hisab te phal bra legitimate bra share guru bole laga janeshe Chhattisgarh Jharkhand laga border de Usa Bangla Dara Gadi laga osor de Joagali Sunday de pas ekta accident hoi gena 5 jon manu muri jashe aro 80 jon chokam baishe goi ase Police official laga report hisab te janai dishe ki 5 jon laga 4 jon do ele muta aro ekta maiki ase goishe aro 80 jon chokam ba laga de at least 30 nisna do hele serious pra chokam gurishe goi gena janeshe authority bra janai dishe ki pass to hoile sati attend guru bole laga ja laga thakishe goishe aro pass to bishi overload hoi gena 87 passengers buki gena thakishe goishe eyewitness kan bra kwa do hoile shaft turning ekta de pass to hoile turn guru bole na pare gena rasta bra 20 feet niche de girishe goishe Gari driver kundu idu laga accident de pachishe Vikas Padak pra police ke kushe ke tai handbrake lagawole bi koshish kurishe aro engine bi off kurishe hoile bi gari do ele control kurubole para nai gushe information ba logo de police aro local manu kan passengers kan gari bitor de phasi kana thaka do hele olaishe gushe India authorities kan bra itu mechanical failure na ki ase itu lagai opor de chanbin gure ase gushe Nadia District West Bengal laga private company laga director ekta bra Tripura de 4 crore investment fraud kura karne CBI kan bra joagali Sunday de arrest kurishe kushe accused manula nam do hele tabong praminik koina janishe tai do hele MPS Agro Animal Project Limited laga ekta director takishe kushe accused do hele 2012 bra hi polai jai takishe kushe Accused manu bra Tripura de investment guribo goigana public khan laga 3 to 4 crore do hele collect kurishe goshe aro idu poisa do hele par dalika de chola nai goshe Tripura government aro central government laga notification hisab de October 8 2013 de CBI khan ba case register kurishe goshe Investigation complete kuri gena October 13 2015 de accused la khilaf de charge sheet file kurishe aro May 31 2019 de supplementary charge sheet p file kurishe goshe accused manu do hoile investigation de join kura nai kile mane dai do hoile bolai jai thagishe aro CBI khan bra tai ke trace kuru bole na pare gena thagishe CBI khan laga team bra field verification physical surveillance kura biche de accused manu ke thuru bole parishe kushe Railway Protection Force aro Agadala Police kan milai kana Agadala Railway Station de Sunday de ekta pistol aro Bonguri dia laga khasi laga dawai 100 bottle seize kurishe kushe Deputy Inspector General ba gushe ke Railway Protection Force personnel aro State Police laga coordination effort pra accused manu tujun ge bi thuru bole parishe goi ase Taijun laga hat pra search kura humoi de ekta pistol baishe aro Bonguri dia laga 100 bottle khasi laga dawai bi seize kurishe gushe accused tuida laga nam doile Kartik Yadav aro Amol goina jane bole parishe aro daijon do hele Bihar laga manu ase goshe Ukrul district Manipur de Sundal police station laga officer in charge pra arrest warrant dekhai thaka humoi de accused pra chago loigena tai laga cheste marigena chokam guri dishe goshe Ukrul laga session judge pra 54 years old muta ekta rusang goigena manuke morai dia laga mamla de taike thuribo karne arrest warrant olaishe goshe accused to ele 1996 de manu ekjon ge morai digena 30 years police khan laga hat pra logai gena thagishe goshe Police kan Friday din de accused laga court de jashe aro police officer bra accused laga ama ke arrest warrant dekhai thaka humoi de accused to ele jago loigena aigena officer in charge ke mari dishe goshe Idia accused toile police laga custody de ase aro dai ke PNS laga alag section 109 118 aro 221 laga under the criminal case toile register gurishe gosha Assam police kambra chogali Sunday dinde Kabi Anglong district te trucks laga consignment do hoile turu bole parishe ase Assam police laga sources bra go ase ke chogali Sunday de tagan operation guri thakya time de Assam police kambra gari ekta ge intercept kuri gena 10 kg contraband oile sis kurishe edula tam doile 70 lakhs thagishe ase illegal drugs transportation guri thakya ke involve kora accused manu ke bi arrest kurishe goshe Jabalpur Madhya Pradesh se Sunday laga samde over speeding gari bra duijon manu morai dishe aro 11 jun ge chokam gurishe koina police khan bra janishe khobor dia laga hisab te ko ase ki victim khan do ile rasta laga divider lagai gena lunch break kuri thakya time de over speeding gari do ile tai khan ge lagai gena morai dishe ko ase aro alak khan ge chokam gurishe goshe additional superintendent of police bra goshe ki driver do ile tai khan ge lagai gena polai jaise goshe itia tai khan ge thuribole kosis kuri ase goshe kundo accident de gari cholaise idu laga registration laga plate bi thakya nai koina police pra janaise Karachi Pakistan de shopping mall de chui olai gena chuijon manu muri jaise goshe ekjon to ile fire personnel thakise goshe aro 20 opor de manu chokam baise ko ase idu laga hatsa do ile Saturday laga rati 10:45 nisna de hoise goshe Joi bishi ola garne building do hoile golap soy ase goshe aro itu bra rescue kuribo garne bi bishi diktar samna kore ase kwala khobor bi janai di ase Iran officials kambra Sunday din de goshe ki Iran de police chai thakya ke at least 5000 manu do ile morai dishe ko ase aro tade laga 500 to ile security personnel kan thakise ko ase Iran officials khan bra innocent manu ke morai dia garni blame kore ase ki tu laga hat toile terrorists aro armed riders khan laga ase koi ase kobo green thaka itu bi janai di ase Assam de into Pathan laga border osor de cha bagan de kam gora manu ekjon ke hati bra thing bra jobai kana morai dishe goshe muri ja manu laga nam doile China Parla 50 years old thagishe goshe eyewitness laga hisab te ko ase ki victim do hoile tai Guru lobule cha laga homoy de cha bakan pitor de hi hati bra thing bra chobai gana morai dishe goshe Sunday laga early morning de bi Baksa district Assam de 14 years old chukuri ekta ke be hati bra thing bra chobai gana morai dishe goshe muri ja manula nam bi Chusna Parman goi gana jane bole dishe Ajela khobor man de khatam guri di ase chidi kumba manu nutun thakile morom bra subscribe kuri dibi like aro share bi kuri dibi gona janai di ase thank you